So in this video we'll show again what you can prepare, like what you should bring with you going to join the cruise ship or any kind of ship. This is especially for cruise ship for next 6 months. As you can see, don't have much stuff, just one suitcase full, and I got my backpack, and this is it pretty much. So as I showed the other video earlier, we got the uniforms here, one part. You can bring even Christmas tree, because sometimes we spend Christmas on board. You know, other stuff, toiletries, very important. Medicine as well, slippers inside, some vitamins, sport shoes if you go to the gym or somewhere, more stuff. More important is to bring your documents. Always bring some cash, some money to the country you're going to, mostly US dollar, euro, depends where you're flying to. So this is the hotel room the company is giving you, pretty decent. You have a nice bathroom, coffee machine, big TV. This is my laptop. Yeah, it's a nice room, big bed. We're staying in Hilton Hotel, so yeah, it's important to bring a nice backpack, some jacket when you're flying, and ready to go. Always put in your name, the luggage tag, like your flights, where you're going to, your email, cell phone number in case if your luggage get lost. And this is it pretty much. If you need to ask something else, just add in the comments. Thank you.